Why would you do a final walkthrough on a property that did not have repairs? Well, we had concessions that we negotiated so the buyers can hire their own subs, do their own repairs with someone they trust. But we still want to make sure that the property is in the same condition that it was in when we did the inspection, when we put the offer, make sure that nothing has happened. I like to do my final walkthroughs right before closing, just because anything can happen, and make sure nothing's missing, like fixtures, appliances, any of that good stuff. I've mentioned before on another video that we had a whole stove missing. The range was gone, and it was gone. The sellers had packed it up, relocating, and we wouldn't have known had we did the walkthrough the day before. Another thing we're looking for is to make sure there's no new issues as far as possibly a roof leak, water heater leak, AC issues that may have happened in between inspection and today. We had no issues, so we're excited. Going to be a fun project for my buyers. They are doing a huge renovation to this property, and I cannot wait to see what it turns out like.